In this episode, we'll combine information presented previously in order to connect skills we teach with topics and texts students write about. By doing this, we'll get a clearer picture of how writing instruction and writing practice unfold within a single unit. To start, let's go back to what we covered in several previous episodes. In episode 1, we covered the need for whole class instruction on grade level skills, followed by time for students to apply them in their writing. In episode 2, we broke down a mini lesson and how it follows the gradual release, including I do, we do, and you do. In more recent episodes, we targeted persuasive, informative, and narrative writing. While we focused on which skills to teach, we have not spent time addressing what are students writing about. That's our focus in this episode.